Hello friends, today we are going to do the 17th chapter of workbook exercise, okay, class 6 social science. इससे पहले मैंने ये सारे जो वीडियोस हैं वो प्लेलिस्ट में डाल दिए चैप्टर वाइज, तो आप वहाँ से जाके देख लीजिए, तो आपको चैप्टर वाइज सारे वर्कबुक के एक्सरसाइज के वीडियो आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव. सो यू कॉपी डाउन डायरेक्टली आंसर्स. Second one is filling the blanks. Then question number third is put the tick mark true or false. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ इज मैच द पैर. यहाँ पे 3 2 1 आंसर्स है, 4 5 1 2. Okay, then question number 5 is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one is what is the most important thing about the village life? The most important thing about the village life is that the villagers live with minimum facilities. Second one is what is village life? The village life means the arrangement of livelihood with environment. Third one is how many cities and towns are there in our country? There are more than 5,000 cities and about 27,000 small and big towns in our country. Fourth one is how does the family earn livelihood? The family members earn money by servicing business or labor work. The family earns livelihood from such a work. Fifth one is what is Ranpur village located? Ranpur village is located a little away from the Desa city in Banaskantha district. Sixth one is in which occupation are the people of Ranpur village engaged? The most people of Ranpur village are engaged in the occupation like farming, farm laboring, cattle rearing, etc. Seventh one is where do we find people engaged in farming or farm labor? We find people engaged in farming or farm labor in the village. Eighth one is what kind of people can get employment easily? The person having education in various type of skill can get employment easily. Ninth one is what work does Madhuba of Malpur village do? Madhuba of Malpur village works as a laborer with her husband in the farm of Mungji Bhai at a big farmer of a village. 10th one is what did Madhuba do when she did not get a work for many days? Once Madhuba did not get work for many days, so she borrowed money from the Lavji Bhai to treat his sick daughter. 11th one is what did Madhuba to return the borrowed money from the Lavji Bhai? Madhuba sold her own anklets to return the borrowed money from the Lavji Bhai. 12th one is what do farmers with a small piece of land in Malpur village do? The farmers with a small piece of land in Malpur village are dependent on rainfall for farming. When there is a no rain, they have to migrate to other places for getting work. 13 one is how does Salman make a living? Salman make a living for 7 to 8 months on farming income. He makes living for rest of 4 months from the income of cattle rearing. 14 one is how does Karsan by living in Tharad make a living? Karsan by a native of Mausari village, I think यहाँ पे नवसारी होगा शायद, was engaged in carpentry work. For the last 5 years, he has been running a rickshaw in Tharad. In this way, the person by making a living by driving rickshaw. Then 17 one is how does Neelam's maternal uncle make a living? Neelam's maternal uncle make a living by working as a manager in a factory manufacturing shirts and pants. 16 one is from which state has Jai Singh come to Navsari? Okay, वहाँ पे नवसारी है. Okay, it is by mistake वहाँ पे मैंने M लिख दिया है. What does he do in Navsari? Jai Singh has come to Navsari from Rajasthan. He does business of making chocolates in Navsari. 17 1. How many people get employment due to the Jai Singh's chocolate business? Due to the Jai Singh's chocolate business, more than hundreds people get employment directly or indirectly. Sixth question is answer the following questions briefly. First one is what job do people find on the roadside? In the city, the people find jobs on the roadside as a vegetable seller in a cart or at a making puncture and repairing a cycle, shoe polishers, cold drinks dealers, grocery sellers, toy sellers, barber, car glass cleaners, and seller of cleaning tools as well as drinking water on a bicycle, etc. Second one is what is the business of Jaga Bhai of Ramnagar village. Jaggabhai of Ramnagar village is a merchant. If the villagers need anything from Jaggabhai's shop, they take a rice to his shop in a lieu of rice. Jaggabhai gives them their demand things. Jaggabhai collects the rice taken from the village people and sell it to a big shop in the city. In this way, the Jaggabhai does his own business. Third one is how do Rudi, Rudiba Rudy Behan and Lakshmi Ba make their livelihood. Rudy Behan and Lakshmi Ba both live in a Sanchada village situated on the sea coast. They both are engaged in a fishing. They earn their livelihood by fishing for 8 months in a year. Fourth one is, if Madhuba and her husband had their own land, how would they the way of earning livelihood be different from now? If Madhuba and her husband had their own land, they would not have to go far labor in the farm of Mogji Bhai. They would work on their farm. They themselves would sow uh, weeds and harvest crops on their farm. Not only that, they would hire other laborers to help them. That way, the Madhuba and her husband would no longer have to face any difficulties for earning the livelihood. Seventh one is, write a short note. Rural life. First point is, a large number of villagers make a livelihood by farming, doing farm laborers and cattle driving. Many people run their lives by doing the occupation like tailoring work or carpentry work, blacksmith work, goldsmith, clay making, and work repairing by fishing, etc. Third point is, in a village, some people some people have shops for sale of grocery, vegetable, clothes, tea and snacks, for sale of seeds and fertilizer, etc. When some farm laborers do not get laborers in the village, they make a livelihood by exacting sand from the rivers and stone from the mines. Some of the villagers to the city go to the city and work as a contraction laborers or as a truck driver. 6 point is, some villagers regularly earn their livelihood by selling milk, vegetables or other things from the villages to the cities. Second one is, urban life. In the city, of a large number of people make a livelihood by working on the roadside as well as by working as a hawkers. The second point is, there are many shops in the market of a city. The shopkeepers, salesmen and other employees work there and run their lives. Third one is, thousands of people in the city work as retail laborers. Fourth point is, many people work in the factories in the city and run their lives. Many educated people in the city teach in school and colleges. Sixth point is, many people do various types of occupation in a small or a big office and earn their livelihood. तो ये चैप्टर यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू.